G'day, Uncle Nature here. You probably don't remember me, but your mum's not well, so I'm here to tell you how to help set things straight. My little sister's too nice to say anything. I'm not.
Hey, printing some memes there? Yeah, lolcats.
Email them! That better not be palm oil.
Why is the fan on 3? Could be on 2.
You idiot! Read it online. Couple!
Install an eco switch. Your screen doesn't need saving.
Mother Nature does! Look, your mum's sick. We've all got to pitch in. Go green. Because you wouldn't like me when I'm angry. Animals. Look, I'm touching them.